Today we're talking about keeping our furry family members safe and healthy. Just like you wouldn't feed a wolf a chocolate bar, we need to understand that dogs have different needs than humans. What might seem like a harmless snack to us can actually be harmful, even deadly, to our four-legged companions. We'll be counting down the top 10 foods you should never feed your dog. By being informed and aware, we can ensure our dogs live long, healthy, and happy lives. So let's dive in and learn how to protect our pack members from these potentially dangerous foods. We all love chocolate, but for dogs, it's a big no-no. Chocolate contains a compound called theobromine, which dogs can't metabolize as easily as humans. Even small amounts can cause vomiting, diarrhea, increased thirst, panting, restlessness, and in severe cases seizures, heart problems, or even death. The darker the chocolate, the more dangerous it is. If you suspect your dog has ingested chocolate, contact your veterinarian immediately. Grapes and raisins might seem like harmless snacks, but they can be extremely toxic to dogs. Even a small amount can cause sudden kidney failure in some dogs. Symptoms of grape or raisin toxicity can include vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, lethargy, and decreased urination. If you suspect your dog has eaten grapes or raisins, contact your vet immediately. Onions and garlic are common ingredients in many human foods, but they're toxic to dogs. They contain compounds that can damage red blood cells, leading to hemolytic anemia, causing weakness, lethargy, pale gums, and even difficulty breathing. Always check the ingredients of any human food before sharing it with your dog, and when in doubt, leave it out. Avocados are a healthy and delicious food for humans, but they contain a substance called persin, which is toxic to dogs. While the level of persin in the fleshy part of the avocado is relatively low, it's still best to avoid giving avocados to dogs altogether. Ingestion can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and even fluid buildup around the heart in some cases. Just like with humans, alcohol is a big no-no for dogs. Even small amounts can have a serious impact on a dog's liver and brain. Symptoms of alcohol poisoning in dogs can include vomiting, diarrhea, lack of coordination, disorientation, difficulty breathing, tremors, and even coma. Never give your dog alcohol in any form, and be extra careful during parties and gatherings where alcohol is present. We rely on our morning coffee or tea for a boost, but for dogs, caffeine can be extremely dangerous. Even small amounts of caffeine can cause hyperactivity, restlessness, vomiting, diarrhea, increased thirst, panting, tremors, seizures, and in severe cases, death. Keep your caffeine fix out of your dog's reach and be mindful of dropped pills or spilled drinks. Macadamia nuts are another food that can cause serious problems for dogs. Symptoms can include weakness, muscle tremors, vomiting, ataxia, hyperthermia, and lethargy, typically appearing within 12 hours of ingestion. Prevention is key, so keep these nuts far away from your furry friend. Xylitol might sound innocent enough, but this artificial sweetener found in sugar-free gum candy baked goods, and even some peanut butter can be deadly to dogs. Xylitol causes a rapid release of insulin in dogs, leading to a dangerous drop in blood sugar, known as hypoglycemia. If you suspect your dog has ingested Xylitol, contact your veterinarian or an animal poison control center immediately. We all know dogs love bones, but cooked bones are a different story. When bones are cooked, they become brittle and can easily splinter, causing serious damage to your dog's digestive system. Always supervise your dog with raw bones, never cooked, and choose bones that are larger than their mouth to prevent choking. We might be tempted to share our table scraps, but fat trimmings from meat, both cooked and uncooked, can be very dangerous for dogs. These fatty treats can cause pancreatitis, a painful inflammation of the pancreas, with symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, loss of appetite, lethargy, and fever. It's best to stick to a balanced diet specifically formulated for your dog's needs and avoid feeding them table scraps altogether. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your furry friends safe and healthy. By being informed about the foods that can harm them, we can help them live longer, healthier, and happier lives. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Let's keep those tails wagging and those furry companions safe.